Welcome to the European Heart House, the headquarters of the European Society of Cardiology, located in Sophia, Antipolis, in the south of France. But what is the ESC all about?
In a nutshell, the ESC aims at supporting each European cardiologist in the most comprehensive way to carry out their basic science and clinical work. To achieve this, the ESC endeavors to give all European cardiologists all educational tools they might need to better diagnose and manage their patients.
To meet the objective of supporting European cardiologists, the ESC issues clinical practice guidelines, which give best practice recommendations based on analysis of current evidence-based medicine. The implementation of these guidelines is monitored by pan-European surveys of actual clinical practice in European hospitals.
The Society also organizes international congresses. The scientific programs are presented by experts in the field. The preparation of the scientific program, organization of the associated large exhibitions, and all the logistics surrounding the congresses are managed by the ESC. Educational training courses and specific meetings are also organized all year round on specific subjects. The ESC is committed to continuously innovating to stay at the cutting edge of a fast-moving environment, while keeping in close touch with the profession and industry through a two-way dialogue.
The ESC offers an extensive website, 7 leading scientific journals, a wealth of publications, and educational products available for download or to order, making the ESC globally accessible.
Yet the human factor cannot be easily replaced, and congresses remain essential to meet up with peers and share recent experiences, discuss patients' cases, or recent socio-economic issues. This explains the success of ESC congresses, which benefit from a fast-growing reputation for the quality of their science and their outstanding networking platform. All of these activities help cardiologists who have an obligation to continuously train, to stay accredited, and to keep themselves updated on recent developments in the cardiology profession.
One of the key roles of the ESC is also to maintain a fine balance between the medical profession and industry in order to preserve the profession's scientific reputation.
To this extent, the ESC works in close partnership with the pharmaceutical, drug, diagnostic, and medical devices industries.
The ESC, which is a not-for-profit professional medical society, sets itself as an umbrella organization with a mission to harmonize different entities that are closely entwined, but with their specific aims.
The ESC comprises 51 national cardiac societies, which form the political cradle of the ESC and represent European cardiology, which geographically the ESC extends beyond Europe to the Mediterranean countries, as well as some affiliates outside Europe. It also includes 19 working groups, 5 councils, and 5 subspecialty associations, which address specific topics in cardiology. These subgroups form an integral part of the ESC, but with their own activities, journals, congresses, or decision-making processes.
By working all together, by producing good guidelines, good educations, I believe that we can really achieve our mission in Europe.
The membership of the ESC made of 56,000 members, is what makes this organization so unique.
Many activities revolve around country-specific differences encountered in the profession, and the ESC, with its 51 countries, helps understand these and harmonizing them whenever possible. The networking dimension is always kept in mind through new initiatives and projects. The scientific and clinical merit of individuals is also recognized through the ESC Fellowship title.
The ESC's ultimate goal is to be the center of reference for all European cardiologists and allied professions such as cardiovascular nurses, general practitioners, technicians.
I believe that in Europe, cardiology is a functional example of unified Europe.
It is precisely because the ESC is such a renowned and respected community that it has been able to approach on European institutions in the last decade to lobby on crucial political aspects of cardiology. For example, the ESC is often invited to participate in frequent roundtable discussions with members of the European Parliament, and there again has an obvious impact on European patients' quality of treatment by influencing important governments' health decisions.
Ultimately, by improving the daily practice of European cardiologists and allied professions, the European Society of Cardiology is able to fulfill its mission of reducing the impact of cardiovascular disease in Europe.
The ESC therefore improves patient care in an indirect yet evident manner. To find out more, please visit www.scardio.org or contact us on 33492947600.